While Tesla is an easy target on many fronts, you have to admire the passion the company seems to have inspired in those who own their vehicles. As reported by Electric.co, over the weekend, a collection of about a dozen Tesla Model 3 owners took part in appears to what have been at least one of the more positive company protests in front of Tesla's factory in Tilburg, the Netherlands. The group had assembled in response to Tesla reducing the prices of Model 3 options since its launch in Europe. The collection of owners were upset that the company had lowered prices before activating a couple of features that they had paid to activate, namely the autopilot and full self-driving packages. These features were being promised to new customers for free or at a lower price than those current owners had originally encountered. The autopilot option was originally priced at just over $3,600, while the full self-driving option came in at about twice that much. In an effort to get Tesla's attention, the car owners used their vehicles to block the entrance to the factory. Apparently it worked. Sort of. After getting word of the gathering, factory officials met with the vehicle owners and invited them in for coffee or tea while the appropriate platforms were activated. So, Tesla tried. However, none of the vehicles present actually left with those options functioning. Tesla's latest response was that they're still working on meeting the promise they made to these customers. I'm Jeff Ranke, and this is IEN Now.